guys, welcome to my very first video on my YouTube channel, hopefully. And today I'm going to be trying to show you how to make this kind of tassel on a friendship bracelet. So sorry if some parts you don't understand. This is going to be, hopefully, my first video on my YouTube channel. So yeah, let's get started. So here's the bracelet that I want to do the tassel on, and it has to have a loop, and you'll just need some more thread. So first I'm going to measure out the thread, and it'll be this part of the tassel. How I'm going to measure it is I'm going to take the string and then I'm going to fold it in half and get a length that's about as long as the bracelet and a little more. And then I'm just going to cut there. I'm going to cut a couple more strands like this. So here I just cut 4 strands of the white, and I'm going to fold it in half. So here's the string, and now I'm just going to make a slip knot, which for that you have to take the string and the side where the loop is at. So when you fold your string, you'll need to take the loop and then put it inside on the front of the bracelet. Then you just pull it through about halfway, and then you take the ends and put them through this loop. And then you just tighten it. So here you can see that I did the slip knot, and you can do it the other way if you want, but I like it this way. And now you're just going to tape the bracelet and do twisted ties. I'm going to do twisted ties for this one, like I did over here, but you can do the ties that you want. So I made the twisted tie part as almost as long as the bracelet, and I just left a few inches at the end, and I'm going to tie a knot here. So as you can see, I tied a knot over here, and I left some more space at the end so the tassel will be nice and neat. Because if you do it shorter, if you do it like about over here, then when you do the actual tassel and you want it to be longer, then it might be uneven and it might not look as good. So as you can see here, I did the strings pretty evenly, and yeah. So the next thing you're gonna do is take some more string. I'm gonna use my scraps, my red scraps, and I'm gonna take the pieces that are about as long as the end, and about half of that. So basically about this long, a little bit over here, and then times 2, so about that much. And I'm just gonna find some more scraps for it, and yeah. And just telling you, you can do smaller ones. I'm just doing this, so it could be like about like an estimate basically. So just to note that the more of these strings that you're going to use, the thicker your tassel is going to be. So here I chose a pretty good amount. And now I'm just going to take another string. It doesn't have to be that long, about this long. And you'll find the knot you did at the end. And then spread out the strings on top of it. And with the string, you'll tie it on top, not on the bottom, but on top. So I did the strings over here pretty big. You can do smaller strings. I was just showing it for the video. So after you're done tying the knot a few times around the top of the knot, you're going to just flip the strings over. So it was like this. Now you're just going to flip it over and spread it out. Now get another string. Here I got another string. And instead of tying it on top now, you have to tie it on the bottom of the knot. And try to do it pretty tightly and evenly. So here I tie the string pretty tightly and a couple of times around the knot. So here you can see the tassel forming. And now you just cut the excess and you're done. And if you even want to, you can separate the little strings by like combing through it, or you can do it manually with your fingers. But I like it the way it is, and yeah. So here's the final product. Pretty cute tassel. And the top. This did not take me that long to do, maybe about 15 minutes. And that was probably because I was doing the video. So here it is. So thank you for watching your video if you made it this far, and hopefully you liked it and it helped. And yeah, bye. And please consider subscribing and liking the video and maybe even commenting. And bye.